these are the areas we're initially targeting to mine and extract. They were probably never mined due to grade issues. The grade being that we can mine grades of between 2 and 3 grams profitably today. In their time, they were looking for values in the region of 10 grams plus. So it was more an economic issue that they couldn't go deep. The deepest workings currently is 11 level. This is at 440 meters. So in terms of gold mining in Zimbabwe, it's not a deep operation. There's quite a few well-known gold mines in Zimbabwe that are well over a kilometer deep already. So our plan is to come down here to explore this whole region down to the 1,000-meter level. In terms of Zimbabwe mines, we're scratching the surface here.